Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I believe everybody is doing really good and I am also doing very good. So I have a flight and this video is all about to get ready with me in long format video. So yeah, I have just one sector today, Bangalore to Kolkata back, and I'm right now in Bangalore. I had a layover yesterday, so I have to go down at the reception by 6:30 and it is already 5:15, so I have to get ready as well quickly. But before that, I will show you my room quickly. I'll give you my room tour. So yeah, be with me in this video if you are interested. Okay, so this is the entrance, and by entrance, in this side you will get a full-size mirror, and this is me. And here again a full-size mirror. This side you will get washroom. So this is the washroom. This is a bathtub. This is the basin area. This is you know what, and this is again a mirror in this side as well, and this is the shower area. Yeah, and after coming out from the washroom, this is the wardrobe where I have kept. Yeah, this is the wardrobe. And this is a kind of kitchen area. The kettle and all the things are here, and down there is a mini refrigerator as well, jahan pe kuch bhi nahi hai, it is all empty. And right after here, this is a kind of where you can keep your clothes, and this is all the long table. This is the TV. Here this side, this is the bed, just ignore, it's all messed up. And this is the lamp area, side table, and in both side. This is the sofa table, and ये basically इस सोफा के साथ ही था, but मैंने इसको यहाँ पे कर दिया अपने बेड के साइड, so that मैं अपना सामान रख पाऊँ. And in this side again, I've already shown you the television, this long table kind of where I have kept my trolley bag and handbag. This is again a table जहाँ पे मैंने अपना सारा सामान रखा हुआ है, जिसमें मैं अभी ready होंगी, and then I will clean everything. This is a chair. This is again a mirror where you can do your makeup. This is my mini mirror, so मैं हमेशा ये mirror carry करती हूँ for my own convenience. And this is the outside view. I don't know why it is so dirty, it's not clean properly, but yes, the view is pretty good. So yeah, this was all about the room tour. This is all the room is, how it's looked like, and these are all the paintings, lamps, etc. So I hope you liked the room, you know, ek din ke liye ye room. Yes. I'm grateful. Yeah. So I have cleansed my face and I have put on my lens as well. So अब इसके बाद I'm gonna apply this toner from Rice and Ceramide Glam Veda. इसके products इतने मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं, and the best part, it smells really nice. So toner. Before makeup, skin preparation is very important. अगर आप अपने स्किन को अच्छे से प्रेप करोगे तो आपका मेकअप लॉन्ग लास्टिंग तक चलेगा. हालांकि आई एम नॉट अ मेकअप एक्सपर्ट, इट्स जस्ट व्हाट आई डू ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस, दैट ओनली आई एम शेयरिंग. हालांकि आज का फ्लाइट तो बस एक ही सेक्टर है, बेंगलुरु टू कोलकाता, हार्डली 2.5 hours लगेगा, but still I want to look fresh and nice. After that, I'm applying this serum from the same company. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स इतने अच्छे स्मेल करते हैं. मिरर इधर है तो मैं इसलिए इधर देख के मेकअप कर रही हूँ. And then again from the same company, this is, and the moisturizer again from the same company. So I just got notification that my flights, like my aircraft's registration is being changed. यानी कि जो एयरक्राफ्ट हमारे लिए स्केड्यूल था वो चेंज हो गया, हम दूसरा एयरक्राफ्ट में ऑपरेट करेंगे. Which doesn't affect, but डिले नहीं होना चाहिए फ्लाइट. डिले फ्लाइट किसी को भी पसंद नहीं है. Passengers also don't like, and as a crew it becomes double hectic for us. So एक ही सेक्टर है. I want it to be smooth and sorted. So yeah, I have applied moisturizer as well. So it's not a day flight. I'm not going to apply sunscreen. Otherwise इसके बाद एक और step मैं करती हूँ sunscreen. But now because it's an evening flight, so I'm starting with the primer. And this is my makeup pouch. Layover के लिए I carry this छोटा सा makeup pouch. मैं ज़्यादा कुछ कैरी नहीं करती हूँ. Only the necessary items. Unnecessary heavy नहीं बनाती हूँ अपने बैग को. Little bit of primer. That's it. After this Huda Girl concealer palette I have. इसमें से मैं ये ऑरेंज शेड लेती हूँ और अपने अंडर आई पे लगाती हूँ. And I take this shade and I put it on my upper eyelid. After that, I blend it with this brush. So I didn't record the whole blending process, otherwise थोड़ा unnecessary, boring या long हो जाता. Blend करना तो सबको आता ही होगा. After this, I am going to apply foundation, which is Fit Me Matte Poreless 230. It's almost going to finish, but it suits my skin, so मैं यही use करती हूँ as of now. And you cannot forget your neck area. So मैं neck area में जो left out होता है उसको लगा लेती हूँ. And this is my foundation blender brush. So I'm done with my foundation. Now it's time to apply compact powder. So this is the compact I use, Hilary Rhoda the setting duo. इसमें loose powder और compact दोनों है, तो मैं compact वाला use करती हूँ. यूजुअली मैं यूनिफॉर्म पहन के वीडियोस बनाती हूँ. यूनिफॉर्म पहन के मेकअप करती हूँ. बट टुडे आई थॉट टू, आई डोंट नो, मैं क्यों यूनिफॉर्म पहन के नहीं बना रही हूँ, आई माई सेल्फ डोंट नो. इट्स ओके. मेकअप करने के बाद आई विल पुट ऑन माई यूनिफॉर्म एंड देन आई विल मेक माई हेयर. So I'm done with my compact as well. Now it's time to do eyebrows. Again from the same company, Hilary Roda. Okay. Now this is the makeup book जिसके अंदर बहुत कुछ है. आई शेडो, ब्लश, कॉन्टोर, कंसीलर, लिपस्टिक एज वेल. बट इसमें से मैं आई शेडो यूज़ करती हूँ. This one. So I have put on my uniform because इसके बाद आई मेकअप करूँगी एंड फिर I don't want it to smudge it on my uniform. So for safer side, I have put my uniform. Now I'm going to do my eye makeup. Shadow I have already applied. So इसके लिए मुझे फुल फोकस चाहिए आई मेकअप करने के लिए. So first I'm going to apply eyeliner. So I'm taking this black shadow with this brush and I'm applying it over here. I have put on my eyeliner. It's not an eyeliner but मैंने eyeliner बना के put किया है, इसको लगाया है. And ये है काजल from Maybelline New York. इसको मैं नीचे के साइड में थोड़ा सा लगा दूंगी. Ignore my face, okay, if you are finding it abnormal. मेरी आँख से पानी निकलता है जब भी मैं आई मेकअप करती हूँ. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. Now from again Maybelline mascara. बिकॉज मेरा Maybelline का मस्कारा थोड़ा सा ड्राई हो गया है तो मैं ऊपर से ये ब्लू हेवन का मस्कारा भी लगा लेती हूँ. आई मेकअप ऑल्सो डन. अब बचा है ब्लश एंड लिपस्टिक एंड उसके बाद हेयर. सो फॉर ब्लश आई एम यूजिंग अगेन दिस मेकअप बुक. सो दीज आर द शेड्स ऑफ ब्लश. उसमें से मैं आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस शेड. That's it. So I'm almost done with my makeup. I have done my hair as well. And the last step, only I have to apply the lipstick. So today I'm applying this nude shade from Nykaa, which is recommended by my company only. So because evening flight है तो मैं लाइट ही रखना चाहती हूँ अपने मेकअप को. So that's it. I'm done with my makeup and I will just wear my credentials and थोड़ा सा nail polish को replenish करना है. That's it. So मैं कोई lip liner या कुछ ऐसे तामझाम नहीं करती हूँ. I just directly apply lipstick. And yeah, I am almost ready. और मेरे पास अभी काफ़ी टाइम बचे हुए हैं. And that's all I prefer. You know, मैं last minute rush नहीं करना चाहती. So yeah, this was all about the video. I hope you like watching this video. If yes, then please give it a like, and if not, then no worries. You can comment anything if you wish. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye, and yeah, spread love. And thank you so much once again for being with me. Bye.